Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into the exact Microsoft account that held the files. This ensures you target the right OneDrive. Once signed in, check storage and subscription so you know capacity limits and why some restores might fail. Then pause sync and close any Office apps. This prevents conflicts and locked files while you restore. Finally, open the OneDrive web interface or desktop client. These first steps guarantee you won't restore to the wrong account or lose progress. Next, locate the deleted or corrupted content. If files were recently removed, go to the recycle bin and restore selected items. This is fastest. Once done, make sure to check folder structure and permissions. If a file is present but wrong, right-click and choose Version History to revert to a previous save, which preserves metadata. For large-scale incidents, use OneDrive Restore to roll the entire account back up to 30 days. This undoes mass deletions. Finally, resume syncing and verify that restored items appear on your device with correct sizes and timestamps. Make sure folder hierarchies match. If some files are still missing, use the web search bar, inspect the second stage recycle bin, and check version history again. If sync errors continue, unlink and relink your OneDrive account or reinstall the client. This clears sync tokens. If a complete restore fails or you suspect corruption, contact Microsoft support promptly and provide dates and restore logs for faster.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.